Alright, bike is almost loaded. Need to warm it up. Oh, first of all, look at the sunrise. Amazing, it looks superb. Actually, even the sunset is very beautiful. Obviously, it happens that side. Anyways, what's up guys? Kaise ho? And I hope everyone is doing great. Today's plan is to go to Amritsar. I think it's around 5:15 or 5:30 kilometers. I need to check. We did not book a hotel yet. Usually, since the last couple of days, we're doing that. We're booking the hotels first because in getting good hotels, it's not happening because people started traveling and last moment it is getting difficult. We heard a news yesterday saying there is a Bharat Bandh on 26th of Feb. Protest against rising fuel prices. I think fuel will not be closed, but in case a fuel is closed, then definitely we'll be having an issue. For now, me and Charan finished having breakfast. The others just went. Exactly from this destination to Amritsar, today we are riding to Punjab. 9 hours 24 minutes, 524 kilometers. Though it shows 9 hours 24 minutes, this doesn't include the sand riding because exactly from here, the main road is just 500 meters, but that's going to take at least half an hour. So I'll start up the bike once, warm it up, and let's get going. Okay, this is gonna be the tough part, getting your bike out of sand. I mean, if you can ride it on these tracks, it's gonna be fine. On car tracks like this, riding on these tracks is definitely fine, but riding in the middle where the sand is thick, that's definitely gonna be an issue. Let's try it out. Our time is 7:45. We had to leave at 7 o'clock. 45 minutes late. Thing is, roads are all pretty good. Only reason we want to leave early is it is hot, dude. We are in Rajasthan. And the temperature for now it is like really chilly and cold, but in the afternoon it's gonna get like really hot. I'm not wearing my gloves right now because I need to go there and stop. My friends are still eating breakfast. Yeah, bina traction. You need to go without traction, otherwise the bike will not move. Somehow I feel riding with the panniers is much better in this kind of situation. The key to riding in sand is don't let the bike roll its tire. You should keep moving with momentum like this. Yeah, bike tries to fall down, but it will not, unless my day is bad today. It's okay, yaar. It's okay if you fall, nothing will happen. You fall in the sand, it's soft. Oh, by the way, in case you're traveling to Bikaner, definitely come here. It's a good place. It's called Bikaner Desert Camp. Nice hospitality. We'll give you good service. I'll rate it 8.5 out of 10. Food is really good. While coming inside, that was the first time we did this kind of terrain, so I was a little bit worried. But now I think I got that confidence, so it will not take half an hour. I think maybe 15-20 minutes max. Only thing is Kishore is there. He's a little bit scared. He feels that the bike is going down and his boxer is scraping the entire sides. That shouldn't be a concern, but obviously he's new to riding in these terrains. Not just him, every one of us is like that. But the main reason I'm walking back all the way from my bike is I want to ride the Africa Twin. You కడుతూనే ఉన్నాడు మళ్ళీ కట్టుడు సావుకున్నావురా. అరే తీసుకోపోవాలా ఏమన్నా మోడ్లు మారుస్తావా? Actually, this is the easiest bike to ride here because of the DCT. You don't need to control the clutch. No way it's gonna stall. Yeah, this is the beauty of a DCT. You don't need to control the clutch. Arey yaar, seriously, it's so amazing to ride this bike in this terrain. I just don't want to drop the bike yaar. పొద్దున్నే వర్కౌట్ ఇది ప్రాపర్ కార్డియోవాస్క్యులర్ ఎక్సర్సైజెస్. రోజు పొద్దున్న లేచి అట్నుంచి ఇటు 2 సార్లు కొడితే బైక్ వేసుకొని టైం పాస్ అయిపోద్ది, ప్లస్ వర్కౌట్ కూడా అయిపోద్ది. లేదు పోనీ, యూ కీప్ గోయింగ్, డోంట్ స్టాప్. See, Kishore ka problem is his legs are hitting the boxer when he's trying to do this. When he's trying to crawl, his legs are hitting the panniers, not panniers, sorry, the boxer engine. time is 8:23 a.m. Bikaner Strait, Jaisalmer Strait, Nagaur. I thought Nagpur. I'm not sure about the 4-lane and all. I heard Punjab ke border se you'll be having a little bit of 4-lane. Majority is going to be like this, a single lane but good roads. It's going to get really hot during the afternoons. After till 11 o'clock, now time is 8:30, right? Almost for the next 4 hours we don't have a problem. After that it's going to get hot and it's going to drain out all our energy. Look at it, Thar desert right and left. Both ho gaya Tiger. I think you've taken me all over India, most of the major places. Abhi Thar desert bhi aa gaya. I think you need some rest. So वैसे तो it's not like crazy 48,000 kilometers. Tigers in other countries they do like 2 lakh kilometers, 1.5 lakh kilometers. So it's not about that, but I told you right, I'm getting bored looking at this dash all the time. And life is short, yaar. I'm trying to make means so that I can get a new bike. Chalo, abhi to we'll find a fuel bunk. I don't see any trucks on the road. Maybe that is to do with the bunk, I'm not sure. We need 2 fuel stops today. 520 kilometers, which means we need 2 fuel stops. Abhi to half tank se zyada hai, but still, the moment we see a petrol bunk, we need to fill it up. Chalo, let's hit it. We saw a petrol bunk. Hopefully it's open. Open. Woo! Yeah, we need petrol bunks to be open today. Are ekkadi nunchi vastundru Laffood ga. Oh, chalu vellipochu Amritsar. And the tradition continues. Tubeless hai, non-tubeless hai, tube hai, spoke hai, non-spoke hai, doesn't matter. Puncture aithe cheyalsinde. I am so happy. Yes. Lakshanara bokka. 1.5 lakh, wait, no. Puncture. Yeah, at least we don't need to remove the wheel. చెప్పా కదరా, బండిలో లేదు దరిద్రం, నీలో ఉంది. నువ్వు వేయించుకో ఒక 2 పంక్చర్లు ఇక్కడ, వెనక్కొకటి ముందరకొకటి. ఏంది ఇది సడన్గా బండి దగ్గర లేకపోతే వాలిపోతుర్రా ఇక్కడ. బండి దగ్గర లేకపోతే మొత్తం వాలిపోతుర్రు. ఎక్కడ పోయినా నాకు రైల్వే గేట్లు మాత్రం తప్పవు అనమాట. రాజస్థాన్లో కూడా వచ్చిందిరా నీకు దండమే, ఎక్కడ పోయినా నన్ను చంపేస్తూ. Chalo, just finished 131 kilometers from the room. Took us 1 hour and 2 hours because we took a huge break for fuel and then also that railway gate. Mukku paina rasgullalu ranni. Enni rasgullalu tinna anni pimples vachayi. No, from today I'll be strict, okay? Amritsar lo strict. That is the problem. We are entering Punjab. This is where you'll get some amazing food. That too we are going to, what is that place? We'll be going to Patiala and all, Ludhiana. Same, everything is like on the right. Ambala has amazing butter chicken. Very bad.
We'll definitely go to Golden Temple, have their prasad.
That will do. Arey, come on yaar.
It is world famous.
Riding all the way from Hyderabad, 1500 kilometers to Amritsar without having, that's called langar or something, Ray. Langar or something, I'm not sure. If I spelled it wrong, if I pronounced it wrong, I'm very sorry. Yeah, we'll have that for sure. That's inside the temple and that's world famous. How can we not? I was feeling sleepy, so we stopped here to have some coffee. But then their coffee is very bad. I'll be honest, Punjab mein coffee is bad. Tea is good, obviously. Punjab and all, you'll get good tea. Gear up. So what I'm doing is I'm carrying coffee packets with me because I know for sure even if we ask for double shot, they'll not give us that. They'll give basic coffee. It was literally milk and water. So I added my own coffee powder. Better to carry our own coffee packet. What I'm doing is I'm stealing coffee packets from our hotels. Not stealing, I'm just taking them and putting them in the bag. So next 100 kilometers at least, no break. What area is this, dude? This is a highway going through some small town, Suratgarh. Kottu, Chajju, left se maro yaar. Pora? వన్ మోర్ రైల్వే క్రాసింగ్. నా లైఫ్ అంతా రైల్వే క్రాసింగ్లే. అరే సీరియస్లీ. ఇక్కడ వర్షాలు పడలేవు కదా, నేనుంటే యూ షుడ్ రైన్, బట్ నౌ యూ డోంట్ హ్యావ్ రైన్స్ ఇన్ రాజస్థాన్. సో సంథింగ్ షుడ్ కమ్ అప్, దట్ ఈస్ ఐదర్ ట్రాఫిక్ ఆర్ రైల్వే క్రాసింగ్స్. This is the third railway crossing, right? Today. Hey, this is camel hai. Camel ka khana. Seriously, dude. This is the 6th railway crossing. 6th. Like proper. From Bikaner till this point, we didn't even finish half of the journey. And this is the 6th railway crossing, dude. What the F? 239 kilometers done. 31 degrees. It is not 31. I think it feels like 29. 100 times better than Rajasthan's temperature right now. Yeah, we're still in Rajasthan, near the border. 100 kilometers to Bhatinda. Are inko railway crossing vaste intikku velipotara inka. Okay, the moment we entered Punjab, we found this good restaurant, Emily or Imli, don't know. It's written EMLY, but I think he's trying to say Imli. మంచి
స్పెషల్ గా
అనియన్ దోస, బట్ అనియన్ వద్దు. ఓకే, రైడ్ అప్డేట్ ఫ్రమ్ దిస్ లొకేషన్, ఎమ్లీ రెస్టారెంట్. I hope I don't get copyright right for this. 4 hours 30 minutes, 252 kilometers left. Half of the journey is done. So we were just talking about how many states we covered. Literally from Telangana, Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh, Rajasthan, Haryana now, and then we're gonna go to Punjab. But Haryana, like you told, it's a very small part that we're gonna cross. Maybe 100 kilometers max. We need to book hotels, bro. Ajayal first. The roads have been pretty good. Only thing is single lane hai. One or two places we got 4 lane, maybe 50-60 kilometers. Abhi to single lane hai, but still roads are okay. We can manage. Average speed is around, I think, 50-60 kilometers an hour. We can max maintain maybe 110 kilometers an hour. That's it. Abhi we are having some lunch. 4 hours 30 minutes. But tonight we'll have amazing food. Amritsar ka khana. I'll leave the menu to Srijan. From here onwards, menu will be taken care by Srijan. 3-4 things we need to wear before riding. First thing is jacket, obviously. Second thing, earplugs. Third is balaclava. Fourth is obviously the helmet. Then glares, very important. UV protection, and then gloves. No, D-ring also. We keep forgetting this. And then switch on the engine. Then switch on the Sena. And then hit the roads. Food was really good here. Chalo, abhi time is 2:30. ETA shows 4 hours 30 minutes. Roads are exactly like this till Amritsar ke pehle we'll be getting a 4 lane for some time. Uske baad we'll reach Amritsar obviously, and hotel ka booking bhi ho gaya. Tomorrow full day we have in Amritsar to explore Amritsar, and then next we'll have to decide where to go, what to do, what not to do. And here we enter Punjab. NH entana 68 54. Okay, 64. Patiala 181, Chandigarh 255. So now we enter Punjab. Marinda kente kada? Oh, Haryana, right? Right.
अगर रोड अपने जान के है तो आ जा सकते हैं. हम वहाँ कहीं गए या फिर हैदराबाद से. हाँ, हम लोग अभी 8वां दिन है. तो हम लोग क्या करते हैं, एक दिन जाते हैं, दूसरे दिन वो जगह देखते हैं.
We are getting a lot of attention here from the cops and from the Dava people, from actually anyone who looks at it obviously. कितना स्पीड, कितना माइलेज, गाड़ी का कॉस्ट कितना, ये कैमरा क्या है, हेलमेट को कैमरा क्यों लगाया, वो क्या है, ये क्या है, तुम लोग क्या करते हो, किधर जा रहे हो, क्यों जा रहे हो. चलो, जस्ट 110 kilometers left. नमस्ते सालू भाई. We are in North LOSC. So left turn has been so close. अरे हैदराबादలో నేను ఇక్కడ గల్లీలో పెట్టుకోలేదు సార్ నా లైఫ్లో. Chalo, finally reached Amritsar, though we had a tough time finding a route to this hotel because of a small detour. But how about a group hug? Literally we have come from Hyderabad till Amritsar. Hey, group hug is important, bro. ఈ వాసనలో చేసుకుందాం ఒకసారి. రమ్మని చేసుకుందాం. తప్పు చేసా. By the way, look at the room.
Oh no. Congrats. Almost to the Pakistan border.
Almost the Pakistan border. Are we going to the Pakistan border?
I think we should.
Okay, first thing I wanted to do is I want to eat something and then go hit the gym today. After that I'll come back, take a nice hot shower and then I'll see you guys. By the way, we are here in Amritsar, which means we need to have some great food. That's what we are thinking from the time we started from Bikaner. Are we going out? Are we ordering here?
Tomorrow we can go out.
So can we do Swiggy and all here? Actually, is it available? No.
No, I asked.
Oh, nice. Amritsar mein hai. Amritsar mein we have Swiggy, Zomato, which means we are going to order nice food. Oh, by the way, there is a we can do that as well. We have a mall attached to this hotel, so yeah, we'll do that. Finally got a gym and I'm feeling happy about it. Only thing is I don't have much time. Time is around 7:40 almost and I'm already feeling hungry. Had a little bit of protein shake, but still my other friends are hungry, so I have to finish jelly and go have dinner jelly. At least I thought I'll get some workout because since the last 1 week I did not hit the gym. Let's run a little bit, burn some calories, go quickly and have some great Amritsar food. 26 minutes, actually 30 minutes हो गया workout. 253 calories, 304 total calories, 3 kilometers of proper running. ఎంత నాయిస్ వస్తుందిరా చిచి సోనీ వేసాను అలవాటు పడ్డా. Good thing is there is a mall right beside, so we're planning to go and eat there. अमृतसर में क्या खाना मिलेगा? मॉल की పోయినామంటే I know pretty sure we're gonna have Domino's. And mall बोले तो we can't take a big camera. That is the reason I'm gonna vlog on the iPhone from now. That is a mall right beside. This is the hotel. That is a mall. This is the mall of Amritsar. Never thought I'll be coming here. That's like a lot of food. This is basically you order this. This is the special thali and you get this free. This is a mini thali. Charan says dal makhani is next level. Actually paneer is pretty famous here in Amritsar. I mean anywhere in Punjab, but I think it is okay. How is the food, Rochi? Apart from this, we also ordered KFC. Lot of food. Ultimate saving bucket. Okay, time is 1:30 in the night. Just finished with editing. What do you think we should rate the hotel we stayed in today morning? Not just about that. There's some incident that happened. Basically, I forgot something in that camp. It's an expensive thing. I can't reveal what it is. I realized that gadget is not with me once I finished like 50 kilometers or 60 kilometers. Then I called them back and asked them if that is there. They might have said that it is not there. But these people, they were so good. They said it is there. We'll send it back to you. Give us your address. So hats off to that guy. What's his name? Any idea? Sukhbir Singh. Thank you. I know you will not be seeing my video, but thank you so much for returning it back. I think by now it is gonna be on the way to my house. Yeah, I'm ending the video here. So in case you guys have liked this video, you guys know what to do. Hit the like button, do share, do comment, do subscribe. And tomorrow we're gonna go and explore Amritsar a little bit. Charan has already made a little bit of itinerary, proper itinerary. Tomorrow morning in the breakfast we're gonna discuss. I'm feeling a little bit sleepy and that is the reason I'm talking a little bit slowly. By the way, everyone is sleeping. We have a connecting room here. 1:35 a.m. Editing done, almost done. Have to export this, upload it, and then go to sleep. See you guys in the next vlog.